All right, this is the elevator at the Ramada in Springfield, Illinois. It's a long. Oh wow, it's one of the really basic ones. Down to one. I'll have to look it up, but this might actually be a mod of an older long. Yeah, the fact it only has door open, it's kind of what I'm thinking.